The easiest way to take high-resolution photos on Motorola Edge 70 is by using the dedicated high-res mode in the camera. In order to find it, you just have to open the camera, go all the way to More section, and then in here we have the ultra-res mode. This is the high resolution, it's just called ultra-res, and this mode allows you to capture photos in the highest resolution possible. We can also see some tips over here. So it says in this case that for the best quality in the current lighting condition, we recommend switching to regular photo mode. Well, because there is nothing visible in here, but generally speaking, if you try to capture a pretty normal photo of something, then you should be able to easily capture a pretty decent photo. So let's actually take the photo and let's open details. Let's see, let's go to about. As you can see, we captured 50 megapixel photo in here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.